I'm Steve Dwyer, founder of Edify Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to let your accountability partners see your activities on your Windows PC with Accountable to You, the software I and my family use to help keep us accountable with our internet activity. If you're watching this video, I assume you've already signed up with Accountable to You. If not, visit edifyhub.com/accountability to find the videos on setting up an account for yourself, your family, or your own church, small group, or business. To start monitoring your Windows PC, visit edifyhub.com/accountability and click the Accountable to You button. Log into your account, click the Download and Install button, then click Windows. Download and launch the installer. If you still haven't created your account, you could do it from here, but don't forget to use the promo code EDIFYHUB, all one word, to upgrade to a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 10-day free trial. When you do, Edify Hub will also earn a commission to help us offset the cost of producing videos like this one. Once you have an account, click I have an account. Confirm that you still agree with the terms. Enter the username and password you use to log in to Accountable to You, and choose a name for this computer. I'll call it My Windows Computer. When you're done, click Login. If you signed in as the administrator of a family account, you may also be asked to select which family member should be associated with activity on this PC. You could start setting up your accountability partners, but we'll cover that in a later video, so I'll close this window. Now you see the Accountable to You icon in the taskbar. If there are certain apps that manage confidential information but don't allow access to inappropriate content, you may choose to exclude those apps. You can start that process by choosing Program Exclusion List from the Accountable to You taskbar icon. Enter your password. Find the applications you want to exclude, such as a password manager or financial application, and check their boxes. Click Save when you're done. If you have more than one user account available on your PC, you'll need to install the app for each user account. You can give each one a different computer name to help you track what activity comes from which user account. If you need to install Accountable to You on other devices, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/install to find other installation videos. If you're ready to set up your accountability partners, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/partners. And if you want to see what the accountability reports look like, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/reports.